Hey, hey, how you doing? I hope you can hear this rain out here. It sounds good. It's July the 7th, and it's kind of a spring rain. It's nice. I wanted to make this film. It's on gratitude, and I'm thinking to myself, why do I want to make a film on gratitude? But I'm working on changing my perspective, changing my attitude on a day-to-day basis. How do I wake up? What kind of person am I? How do I want this day to go? I create the day. And saying I create the day, and this is about gratitude, saying I create the day starts with surrender. I believe that the universe, God, comes through us, or that the universe, God, is the way things are, and we express that. And I believe it to the point of depending on it. And I'm believing more and more, and I've talked about this in my journey to Christianity, I'm believing more and more about the Bible. And I figure that's a heart thing down here versus head, heart thing. And that it's something more I have to sense and know versus think and have facts about. So back to Thanksgiving, I wanted to, I guess Thessalonians 5:18, I wanted to know how to change my thinking, and gratitude seems to be a major way of changing your thinking. Actually, gratitude and forgiveness. It's almost like, feels like two ends of the same spectrum. I don't think it is. I think they're a lot closer than that. But so I am looking today at gratitude, maybe another day forgiveness. And I've already done another video on that. And I may put that, I've already done another video on that. But this gratitude, so to me, if I want to change my thinking, gratitude is not only something I've learned that we're supposed to do, but why are we supposed to do it? Because we're given so much. Where are we given so much from? Who gives it to us? I believe God does. I believe if you go to work, God gives you work. If you have food, God gives you food through you, but God gives you food. So, and I say all that with a lot of respect. And so, gratitude. And for me, it's actually less of a worshipful thing. Maybe I wish it was more of a worshipful thing, but it's more of a changing my thinking thing. Changing the mechanics, changing the pathways, the neural pathways. If I want to complain, gratitude. Like Steve Harvey says, gratitude and complaining cannot exist in the same place. If I think I've referred to my addiction, or the addiction that I'm moving away from, the addiction which doesn't serve a purpose, of looking at images of women, and that doesn't serve a purpose, believe me. And I'm incorporating into my thinking that the best way to attack the underlying issues, face the underlying issues that are deflected, eased, coped with by the addiction of looking at images, looking at pictures of women, is with Thanksgiving. Walk outside, this is a digression, but walk outside and look at my thoughts, look at my feelings, instead of going around them. Look at my feelings and somehow incorporate gratitude into that. And the reason why I say somehow incorporate is because when Jesus fed the 5,000, he thanked God before he fed the 5,000, which for all of us, we know that's a That's a complete reversal of what we're taught. And so, because you're thanking him beforehand, before you receive the thing, which to me is very refreshing. Steve Harvey again talks about that, of being thankful before you receive, and how much he had to go through to get where he is, and the fact that he was in process. So we should, every time when something bad seems to happen to you, because it is your thoughts and all that cause a lot of your bad things, when something bad is going on around you or happening to you, then, my goodness, the craziest thing you can do, the hardest thing you can do, is be thankful. And as Anne Frank said in her writings about the fleas and the concentration camps, be thankful in all things, so be thankful for the fleas. So my thinking is to be thankful for the discomfort, be thankful for the tiredness, be thankful for the loneliness. That's tiring in itself. Be thankful for the struggle, the difficulty. And I believe that God blesses that. So thank you for listening. I hope this has given you something. It's been a difficult discussion, and I feel like I'm discussing with you. It's been a difficult talk from me, but I appreciate you listening and I appreciate you being here. If you have anything to say about it to me or to any of us, please say in the comments. I'm really open to what you have to say. And if you like the video, please like it, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing. I'm gonna keep doing this. I like sharing, maybe teaching this stuff, these things to you, and hopefully you will teach me or send me a link to your channel and we can connect, help each other. Take care, have a good day, and enjoy. I hope you're having rain wherever you are today. I'm thankful for the rain. I am. Not to get off on that, but we do say, hope it doesn't rain today. And but we need this rain. Yes, it interrupts our fun and whatever, but we need this rain. I'm thankful for it. And I love a spring rain. Take care. Have a good one.